Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel AglaSem Schools. Today in this video, I will be covering chapter 12 of class 8th of science, that is friction. So let's discuss question and answers. Here question number 1 says filling the blanks. Part 1 says friction opposes the dash between the surface in contact with each other. So the answer is relative motion. Second, friction depends on the dash of surfaces. Answer is smoothness. Third, friction produces dash. Answer is heat. Fourth, the sprinkling of powder on the carom board dash friction. Answer is reduces. Fifth, sliding friction is dash than the static friction. Answer is less. Further, question number 2 says 4 children were asked to arrange forces due to rolling, static and sliding frictions in descending order. Their arrangements are given. Choose the correct arrangement. Part 1 is rolling, static, sliding. Second, rolling, sliding, static. Third, static, sliding, rolling. Fourth, sliding, static, rolling. So the answer is C, that is static, sliding, rolling. Further, question number 3 says Alida runs her toy car on a dry marble floor. Wet marble floor and newspaper and towel spread on the floor. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order will be. Part 1 is wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel. B. Newspaper, towel, dry marble floor, wet marble floor. 3. Towel, newspaper, dry marble floor, wet marble floor. Fourth, wet marble floor, dry marble floor, towel and newspaper. So the answer is A, that is wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel. Further, question number 4 says suppose your writing desk is tilted a little, a book kept on it starts sliding down. Show the direction of frictional force acting on it. So the answer is frictional force will act upward in the direction opposite to that of the sliding book. Further, moving to question number 5, which says you spill a bucket of soapy water on a marble floor accidentally. Would it make it easier or more difficult for you to walk on the floor, and why? So the answer is the layer of soap makes the floor smooth, due to which the friction is reduced. This makes the floor slippery and the foot cannot make a proper grip on the floor. Therefore, it is difficult to walk on the soapy floor. We may slip on the floor. Further, moving to question number 6, which says explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. So the answer is sportsmen use shoes with spikes to increase the friction between shoes and the surface. So the shoes with spikes do not slip while the sportsmen run and play. Further, question number 7 says Iqbal has to push a lighter box and Seema has to push a similar heavier box on the same surface. Who will have to apply a large force and why? So the answer is a heavy object produces more friction as it is pressed hard against the opposite surface. So Seema will have to apply a large force. Further, question number 8 says explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. So the answer is the sliding friction is less than the static friction because the sliding friction gets less time to interlock into the contact points on the floor. So it is somewhat easier to move an object already in motion than to get it started. Now question number 9 says give examples to show that friction is both a friend and foe. So the answer is friction as a friend. It allows us to grip and catch any object. It helps us to walk comfortably on the floor. It helps us to write. Further, friend as foe. So here, it causes wear and tears in objects. It causes damage to the parts of machine and tools, which further require money to get them repaired. It reduces the speed of moving object, so more force is required. Further, moving to question number 10, which says explain why objects moving in fluids must have special shapes. So the answer is The objects moving in fluid must have a special shape to overcome the fluid friction acting on them. Efforts are therefore made to minimize the friction. So, objects are given a special shape having pointed fronts with little border middle portion which gets tapped at the back called streamlined. So guys, I have covered all the questions of this chapter in this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the questions discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For more such NCERT solutions, keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel AglaSem Schools. And do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.